Hello guys, welcome to WebTutor Pro YouTube channel, and today we are learning about how to make a free website with Heroku. Heroku is a cloud-based platform which gives facility about deploying and building web apps and any type of apps. Heroku supports many types of languages like Node, Ruby, Java, PHP, Python, Go, Scala, and Clojure. So without wasting your time, I will show you how can you create your account on Heroku app and make a free website with Heroku. So first we click on the sign up page and register yourself on Heroku. It's a free account. Enter here name. I will use the temporary email for this. Copy this email address from here. I will add you can choose any company name for this, and for the development language you can select PHP because we will create HTML CSS files with, for your template and make the website. So almost there, please check your email. Now we receive confirmation email, we can refresh up. Okay, here you can confirm your account with this link. We can close the previous tab. Here we can choose the password. Remember one thing, choose password which is not complex. So your account is all set up, we can process. So this is your dashboard of Heroku. Here we can deploy and implement your web apps. So currently we have no app because it's new account. We can click on create new app. Okay, so this is optional app name, but this is very good because this app name is creating the subdomain of your website URL. Like if you want to make a URL like facebook.heroku.com, then this will be your domain, subdomain name Heroku, Facebook. So on Heroku we can choose app name, but uh, you can choose like John Web. Yeah, it's available John Web. Okay, now create app. So in you can see in the deployment method section, here we have Heroku, GitHub, and Dropbox. So you can place your files on your Dropbox folder and connect the Dropbox folder with Heroku, and all the files read it from your Dropbox and run on web pages. You can also place your codes on GitHub, and you can also download Heroku Git and use Heroku CLI. So first of all, we will use Heroku Git, because this is very good and easiest method. You can edit your files on your local computer, and after completing the editing, you can uh, upload and deployed all the files with command prompt with terminal. So first we need download and install the Heroku command line, Heroku CLI. So here you can see whole process of downloading and installing the command line of Heroku. We have Windows, so we can download the Windows installer. So here we have Heroku toolbar, the program file, and we can install with the setup wizard of Heroku toolbar. So your setup is complete. We can finish this, and here we can see how we getting started. So first we try to log in with Heroku toolbar. So we can switch your dashboard of Heroku. Here we can find your personal app, John Web, and we will go into the deploy tab. Here you can see we can use Heroku Git. If you can click GitHub, it's showing the process of deploying the your web app from GitHub. If you click on Dropbox, it's showing the how to connect and deploy your web app with Dropbox. But here we can use Heroku command line. So already we installed Heroku command line on your PC. So now we will open your command prompt, use the cd slash, and now we can use Heroku actually I will show you the Heroku command is run. Now we can use Heroku login. Okay, so your email is this one. We can right click and it's pasted already. So password is hidden in the command prompt, so I said to you choose the easy password, not complex. So now I am logged in with this email. Okay, now we can explore your C drive, but before this we can create a new repository. So cd and my project, you can create any type of folder name for this. So cd and my web. Okay, you can see the system cannot find the path specified because we don't have this type of folder in your C drive. So on the C drive we will create that folder. Web app, I think. Oh sorry, my web. Okay, now we can go on this folder, my web. Okay, so now we can initialize your git with init. So your empty git repository is initialized on this folder, and now we apply this command Heroku git remote append John Web. John Web is your app name, and with this command your git, which is stored your local computer, is remotely appended by this web application, which is hosted by Heroku. Sorry, simply copy and paste. Now command prompt is making connection with remotely connection with this git, which is stored on Heroku. So this is successfully uh, stored on Heroku database. So now we try to search a template which is uh, designed by us later. So free Bootstrap templates. Bootstrap is a very good for making static website. And we can choose any type of template from this website, or you can search more. So template downloading is completed. Now we can extract the zip file for using the HTML and CSS and JavaScript files. Okay, start. So this is the whole folder. We can copy all the files from here to your my web folder, which is connected by Heroku. You can simply paste here all the files. If you want, we can edit this file. Actually I am using Sublime Text. It is very good editor. So here we change title. See website by WebTutor Pro. Actually I am showing you a different content on there, so I change here title. If you have knowledge about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can change whole template and make a new website for you, and simply we can control process to save. So this file is saved on this repository, and after that we can deploy your application. So copy this first command, and with the right click we can paste here. Now all the files is overwrite on the your Heroku repository. Now we can commit this connection by adding any type of command. Okay, now the last code is git push Heroku master. This is the pushing method which give the access the whole folder as a master, and your all the files is uploaded. Actually 93 files are uploaded on to the Heroku. So here we can see your deployment is complete. Now we can try to open your app, and we will find here application error. So we will try to see logs and identify the problem. So here we can see project is with status 1, code h10, and description app crashed. Okay, so we can see your settings, your application settings. Name is correct. Oh, framework is node.js file we chosen PHP, not a node.js. And so here the build packs is automatically recall node.js because we have package.json file, and this file is used for node.js. So we will remove these files which is not useful from here. Okay, and on your application setting we can delete this build pack and add the PHP build pack here, because we will use for PHP. And here we can see your new build pack configuration will be used when this app is next deployed. Okay, so we again recall your last three commands: git add dot, git commit, and push. So this will again deploying your apps. And here we can see failed to detect SAC build pack https and build pack is php dot, yeah, push failed. So here your push is failed. Why? Because again we have no PHP file on your folder. So if we show your index file as a home page, then we will change the extension of from HTML to PHP and deploy again. Yeah, here we can see the name index.html to index.php, and now we can push your repository to localhost to Heroku dashboard. And here we can see your deploying is verifying. Now we can open your application. Yeah, so this is the your template, but you can see it's a bit different while we will check on your local host. Open with Google Chrome. And here we can see the header is working fine, and the JavaScript and jQuery is working also fine. But on there is code is nil, so we will check the source code and check if CSS is working or not. When we try to open CSS file, it's give the another error forbidden. You don't have permission to access this folder. So actually on Heroku you don't have permission to go to the subfolders. So resolving this forbidden error, we can see your command line. Actually you have here notice no profile using web vendor bin Heroku PHP Apache 2. So there is no process type actually for the give access of the all the folders to the PHP file. We can declare the PHP to permissions within proc file, and proc file declares types is web. It's a default. With this declare type we cannot access your subfolders contents like CSS JavaScript files. So for this we can add a proc file without any content, without any extension. Simply enter P is capital PROCFILE proc file, and with the command line we can push your content to the repository, and this is the last command. After this we check here we can receive notice or not. So here we mm, doesn't receive any notice, only the notice no runtime required in composer log. It's not valuable for HTML and simple templates. It's for PHP applications. And here we can see discovering process types. So your command line is discover your process type with a proc file. And now we can check this CSS file is opened or not. And here we can see the CSS file is loading well. So we can simply reload your application and see the effect of jQuery, Bootstrap, anything you can check here. Yeah, it's a wow JS, and here we can see the image pop up lightbox says. So with the Heroku we can easily develop your presentation website, your static website. We can also make dynamic website with this CMS like WordPress, Joomla and PrestaShop. But I will show how you can create a dynamic website in my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like my channel and share my videos. Thank you.